Then stadium no more almost second game no the umbre no more 8 mi abon na no and a Ghana man pay essence Nana Ado Dankwa Akufo-Addo edidin komo bo team na ba so say ne o ma bon mo dia Ghana Premier League no o ma team agin komo no say na man pay bon mo dia di ram
show you that whatever we can do to help in the continental engagements that you're going to be involved in this year, we'll do our best to assist to make sure that you have a successful tilt. And then I understand that you are being invited to be in Washington in the month of October for the Ghana Week. That you've been invited to go and play Washington, D.C. Football Club. That's going to be a big... So I wish you the best of that, of luck for that. But I'm sure that when the time gets nearer, the government people will also come in and make sure that things go well for you there. But thank you very much for coming. I'm honored by you coming to present this cup to me. And I want to congratulate the playing body once again for this historic achievement. You've done well. It's good for the Ghana football and for the league that there's diversity and the people who come through. We shouldn't have this. For years it was a duopoly in Ghana, Kotoko or Hearts. And then what Adriana broke through a bit. Yeah, but it's good. We have yet somebody else now. And we'll all remember the name Mediama Football Club. Remember.
Eltia no ye command Ghana man pinyi e bo mo de die asho mo bo sa ba mu no mehwe na ya bo na ne ma de ye preti me da mo abas bo de no e ra meti me da mo na still mediama e gusu mo e bo abo mo na Africa no makwa jama yo official say ni Ibrahim Labi joining Mediama Boboko no ne omo ba babo ejuma de kan no ya confirm them na no say omawie ama Richard Akrofi former Nsuatreman King Pfizer to folk Wow Stars wa joining omo na Benjamin Baturi so joining omo na ne omo confirm say Ibrahim Labi so ababa be ramu bo ama ne ma da ye petimi e de honorable wo senator so didn't come for no ankasa na wife Ajua Amofa Ata ani Sky FC omo zo no never be coach etimi era momo na nkomo no Honorable was Senator Willie Sky, say no bomodin, it may chichi mu.
Say, Winnim Pana make an asem nanko, Nibejama Sky FC. Ajua ye, Ubia, a dear ordinance Abekambia, or 10 who yin ye pa. Or my partner was media company name one. Or share or 30% shareholding in Sky Media Group. My brother be was 30, I mentioned 40. Into a Ubia, but then a year to mine, minimum competence, a debia or person bia. No, or your administration was Sky FC. So Sky Media Group. Ye castle on financial income or Gimpa, a cushion day, and making sure say when your MBA, or finance out. I didn't know about it, which me at the end or any year pa. And yet is KFC, when in an airlines is D, and I mean, Chade, or more nominated is on airlines in C, CAF sponsored, and Wako Airlines in C, no. Now airlines in C, a Mao, Aquanian out to me, assistant coach, Emma Division 1 club. She has the competence that one say, almost you will no make of and we a modern technique.
That's your no command Willie Sky. Honorable no one na bana Sky FC wabana. Wababe juma dem division 1 no zone 2 where de pa. About ne who say enya a man no mo coach ya. Ti agrono from your train say tactics no de be rum na. Abo na bibia akuyera mo krobia Kumasi Asante Koroko ne kwa. Mo players no technical team no said an uncommon no be breaking in ready man of 4 months ya clear ni nyina players no ma so ye technical team no so na 5 months ni abomode bibie fi on ambo na otwe de nyino and it's a preseason no beba na omaba be jama bo na ma kwera ma to folk ye ka Jose OKC omoma team no ni Messi Tego ni appointed no sombra na ye ex referee no esco cherema the Black Queens of Ghana mra me fam mo training e course opo bi man no of city omo etimi e kokodi di nkoma hwe said nema ni sietia eboama hihye ne ko yie pa etimi ede ema ne kama pa na ramu dream service nso no maso ya ma unze thank you message naba amo players bi mu adeda do masia na sinete Lord Bawa ya o maso attacking slow usu Samuel Ata Ibrahim Abdullah ene o kwabna boahin e bi ti se Victor Odro na no am confirm the massage ni boati mensa akọ no zo be few months na akwedi apem and afi so no mentie chese ali huzai ono so aka few months na akwedi apem na the dreams FC the apostle money o monkasa o na players your mom experience ya omabo team na ye we News Africa ga omeye yo mo na go we Ibrahim Abdelaziz wa ba Victor Drew the same thing and a Lord Bawa Maswela ta ba but ohun de ekozo nhwe ye na omoma milofo no se milofo ne be hye kroma ani brebe ba o ti e oze mo hwe na mo ya ade ne eboa Brekum Chelsea are confirming a former Accra Hearts of Media goalkeeper trainer Eric Camponsa adjoining omo is your own ebana ngwa be boama niama de di peti ati Gregor bin secheni Emmanuel du eni mo papa ba ze Eric Camponsa on the ebana experience no obi ye pa baby onam no na odi aba be ram na aboa manema kwe na George Alasan be ba so na mo bafo polo ma kanse bafo he atadi de shemia uze me African pa na FSU ye papa ni na ze bafo abomode ay African print no na obomode edidi juma no na abomode entutu ye na chese designs no okra mako 20 tinya fi na de obepama ma wi na no abi na oba be pameti me ramantine ope African print polo shirt, African print golf shirt, African print running shirt, African print v-neck shirt. Mo boutique no monko enko kutubi nto bi ko for ba fo ntade na no ba bebisa na o so a ya na ma no krade no na ihiame no o bobra no na mu eden na o yese wan kasa du tibe pempem a o diska ni rubber bi afa rubber bi ye as our boys ne no obede da sa na ahwe obi bia di ene ba fu ni nkomo ska krebi no obema na ema nim no aton because we no airfit tikofo ni je ho na onso anye ska organizations out on na companies no be say bankers no mo Friday we no mo fa nche ba fonsa ko for ra no mo zo e uniform as e we no yenu ko a ana adwuma ko ba ko mo yenu no mo maka mo aboma omo ebu adwuma na afi so schools out on teachers association afi no churches and also crap nenanche no ombebo na fan clubs out on yetimi aye in bulk etimi area mama na package no your gold package no a 20 shirt na chese o box muni or silver package no so no a 15 shirt o box na bronze package so no a 10 shirt o box gold package no ya bomb de etimi e deliver ni free de ma bibia wo bi ebo amount 200 so no etimi e de ma na afi ankonam te se no so no etimi kokojibi etimi e show your na bema baby obi obere na we deliver the amount number ni 0249 600 789 0249 600 789 0599 899 0599 899 open na ma kokobin de wani achimo santa so oboase kwan no so no obo na ne ma de di pretimi e di ama na ye legend George Alasan no saf kono ojimienu ne tibiere mo my God open pazio e wa no trans hwe ne ma bi a wanu no ho pa se wa kwa ko gina ma mba mfa ma no ane my Burkina Faso oba be gina mbo de ma Ghana na sei e no bo mo de din nkomo na fai
originally menu me ho kra se man kombo ama Burkina Faso originally on me free. Father be home or Ghana na mother in Ghana ni. And me Bob Ghana against Burkina na man share Burkina. Nti me ni wan ka me ko bo man Burkina. BBS ni ma bebre. Playing this ni ma see any ni ma. Say me ma for African Cup 2 times. 78 82. 78 I promise here die. Yeah my 82 always try a crusade ama ehwe ti free fie kono asema boys le kan ya ejuma omo se be hwe kwan Ghana be fa so magic cup ni bio sene ombe ya magic cup ni bio
Etiano ye komo bo de ri tuja na after no say o hwe omo penso players na na ebobo no nefo ne de kasa times on be brepa no kra ne no se ko jira no boy league ni bia ko ba jigo kin ne sa na se ne no so bo mo de chichiem
ebo no chere se ye bo titi ball na omo no afi na omo no ball modern ball but ye hu modern ball a omo ball but omo na se sa nti ye de eno be ye juma very low players na ebo nyina obi eni wa ye tam na obe ball league ni bi. Say woman I boy in and come bianca every year me for goalkeeper. Every year me for goalkeeper. You know, me generate team now cross the ball and me TD. That shows is here.
Etiano ye command ni legend George Alasan abo mo de to yamigi. Ye right say me dia me boabo more for Africa and on signings no. And said the name is calling the winner of Yara News abo boswa.
Well to start with namo ye anti-drama first
yes
about coach, you know.
Yeah.
The issue is that the license no man akwenya say oye a first team coach for a Division 1 league side.
Oh, okay.
What me akofa na assistant coach,
yeah.
To obey assisted with Sky FC. Now I think a promotion from within. And Obia One was senata. Aye Juma Biadano, you understand this thing I'm talking about. He loves to give opportunities to Omoa within the ranks. And then provide this opportunity in the mouse where Omawa Kwenyana or the bear upgrade you. And he told a similar story concerning Ereno. Say the company or run the Sky Media Group, West Go the Kahon, Sky Power FM Kahon, plus other media outlets anyway, you know. He has been able to help her transition from just being an administrator. Now we'll rise up to the level of a partner. And she's in charge of the financial administration of the Sky Media Group. So I just said one, Obano war the appetite for learning and then improving. And then in football also, she behind the scenes was operating in a manner similar to a welfare officer for the players.
Oh, okay.
I hope you get it. So she's been part of the backroom staff for a very long time. Upo Bia or a vivid memory of Sky FC then and Sky FC now. I think it's presently more because Paul no hobio. It is her.
Exactly. So
the experience and then the knowledge base, you know, will help any coach over. And once you atna them how can probably say coaching and your 4-4-2 and 4-3-3 especially what yenny baby any year yenny diana more of the warfare, getting the players to be on your side, no, and also account. And that is why I think she will come in handy for any coach over, because the players na say onim players no than coach now over no. So she plays a role in convincing players no to be in tune with the coach in the opposite. So she will be a very valuable addition to the technical team. Coach be our babyano obama jumano aye for the amount. And then 2, she has also taken lessons through the technical aspect of the game. So aside the other issues, no, by the amount, the warfare, the feel good factor, so Obama players, no more BBA Kosrono, she can also contribute technically. Y license D, I license C. To some extent, we're soon at here. So there can be 1 or 2 contributions or suggestions from her end. And also bet me abua and comedian abra more the technical debrief, more technical preparation for games, any idea. And there was a bono, yenny yambobi. Coaching no ye nyebi but yet tinchaya yet me hun yoma ba kum yenu bi a ye feel say ye sinto team wa ye massa advice no or also ye similar because she loves football into a tinchaya or to me hun yoma ba kum yenu. But this time around the suggestions or the recommendations or whatever be free no will not just be from a mere supporter but somebody who also understands it from the technical point of view. And se me na me hu ina nka me hu ne trasa oh where the head now player number 7, but the technical person will tell you, player no, the way we see Gina, the way we see my pass anyway, no, or the number 7 baby and a pass no be mark on in chain, but shemu say ya. So that addition no benyana the extra a beefy Sky FC up, and I think a refreshing news. The other third one that can be the baby on that in here or your Babesia, and I always love this when we encourage. Let me use this word advisedly. And in quote, aliens into fields are any field. Tessa Sandra Bachi near Tanahaki or Babesia, we're a male dominant field because a boys inter-schools competition, boys team piano, a Berman or Fano. Or Babesia breaky ranks new Remoa, she's considered an alien sort of. Sana Auntie Ajwade and I, Menyaja Division 1. None of the Division 1 teams, I stand to be corrected, and normal backroom staff. Apart from Sabia, more the physio and then medical, you know, Menyasha so OBI or bar or kind of core of a technical team. So she will be a rank breaker or no rim up breaking the ranks or be a trailblazer. And potentially, if she goes there, I think the last person or Nyasa Kenyano was Messi Tego. Where Amidaos.
Yes.
Messi Tego nya, you know. A be a kind of man, other female coaches say, you're concentrating almost the Omoye. Or no, so Remoa, it adds to it. I mean, that was your zone 3, zone 2. Then a true challenge be my the Division 1 teams and even the Premier League teams say, why don't we then consider embark coaches no, to also come in and then help our game grow? And BB say, hey, see where your football anymore. It is another signal or intent say, we are ready to step up in terms of your football development and the involvement. May I say FIFA money where BBC they'll be very much pleased that the club in Ghana has decided say the top 2 technical positions, or the Obabesi Ababeka one. Very good for us. So kudos.
Me da se pa nanka me ha mo already ada one ba me mre ne ma me kwanti ma bishop mbram na me ma apostle wi na fair for number na 1155 me page am. Yo.
Mira.
Come on be braba.
You say wa ha. I go so an me ko so kama e di enkomo. Na bibia e kama. I shall say double transfer ko bibia. E no dwane enyi macho.
Sompa Sports.
Referees, no? Your technical instructors. Our Makushia or Pram Pram. Now, our technical instructors see ye 3 free region bia near the Omako. So, FIFA technical instructors course now, one seminar making. You could check the moves and the bear instructors in the bit in church and about 4 more regions, no? Nabwa. A Jumapana F in here, a bomber basso. Now, in Fibri. Muni no moya side jumedi Upper West region Sadubu hono ombe 3 Upper East Zidane hono ombe 3 Northern region ombe 3 Oba bono for ombe 3 Baby I 3 say Football Republic no omo 10 regions still and yes 16
yeah omo 10
international say nipa 30 na GFA ya ne say omo duane di no mama mo baby ada for the duration of the course. No, so more than the music ka eko. O more than the music fa. Ti o mo kwa na mama mo duane dia mo bibi. Mbe ada. Mo your course ni na masaba. Over the years that has been the practice. Nyamien ko any practice with the MWA, it doesn't help. Natina Bass move say so nominate me from Domain Kra. And I join Matina Bass no my partner my bedroom cry. My fakani bi ato aso akoningo pram. MWA. Miami bottom sika
and on the bibi ya the faka if you are call near the on one bottom sika shema
debi nti Football Republic GFA mo afi mo fam Nancy form
omonya bibi fa
course now mo ye no mo first come we mu wia fitness instructors so beko 3 from each region. Into overall we are looking at 60 people.
Yes,
I remember pram abesa training no agentity any suehunu e de abeboy on football no ti adenti and I was here na ekosa mini ni seboa de bia na saa na hwe ha saa no emwa ntete ene ni dwumedi ayedi no ti general secretary one o referees manager mo hwe na saa de ameka munsia no kwan general secretary no ne ho fa no ntibe na kran on office and then I'm say no wato na yame adom wa ba office so what I say wa bay nkrata na egu ho na ka ho Omoko pram wa share football hundumedie for FIFA instructors. Technical instructors. We are fitness force.
Omonye bibi mfa.
Mira, omonye bibi mfa. Nano ye wa ha nka bi nhwem na sika akono de nsembe to dwa fa sika di sembi ho. Ebra na minister akosha meet the press. No no so de nsema to dwa. Em say ye ball video no e de sika akono so anu di sem to dwa. Na ye wie no Muhammad Aroma mama yeti say ministry no di release aba ene ho na mi gina di medwuma na bibia ye kama ya mama copy of release no madam say ready ministry no omo release no eno no mira so o hwehwe mu yi a o dem say asem no enhyada nwa emro so sa what I say e betima ye ho adwuma pa adi nkomo nti a ya na ye ni abre ni ye ka bi no sabi obi anya obi bone nanso asem ba ne so ne wa asem bia ye ka asem ba me nka ho aduane ba me hwem bi so what I say
Sompa Sports
per this release from the ministry and now say me ye adwuma so bi emagana for also the attention of the Ministry of Youth and Sports has been drawn to publications in the media regarding an amount of money owed the former coach of the Black Stars, Charles Kwablana Kono, following the termination of his contract. Now, in response to the claims made by Coach Akono in the said publications, the ministry would like to clarify details of the payment transactions in accordance with the agreement between him and the Ghana Football Association. She said, Ministry, that's what I say. Nansemu no money akoso. Nsembi ya yakeka won sentro dwumam na efa ko sika akono ho na sika akono nsem na okan na omoso so pani atie na ene omoso so de nkyeremu eba na nkyeremu ni nyina so contract na ewo Ghana Football Association any coach sika akono entem
Sompa Sports
asem ni nyina no omobo no tofa no so say payment transactions sikatuamu nkita hudi a akoso ewo Ministry of Youth and Sports any sika akono entem almost say ordinary contract no ebe ye twa the contract no upon the termination of his contract ye man sika 318,000 Ghana cedis 378.41 money equivalent to $54,054 606 mira na say sika kono no ye terminating the contract no ye man $54,000 so sika no the buy Ghana skeba 318,378.41 pesos let's say the tintin into and say 3.18 billion titisika and ye tu ama no e be twa no contract no na say sika ya mo kan 22nd of October
Sompa Sports
and ye tu as sika de ma sika akono na uka kwa anim ho a on the 10th of February omutua 335,675.71 pesos and you see another $54,000 $54,000 mira that is a okaboma sika akono no waje 108,000
yeah
after say you need you Ghana boss sika akono nka near 7 billion because of contract and the sign into you it is 7 billion over $100,000
yeah
me that CP on the 12th of January afiyemu 2023 no Ministry of Youth and Sports say omotua 860,000 Ghana cedis
Sports
and no $100,000 disbursed at a rate of 8.60 mira na say no say 8.6 billion so okani mi enuboma minsura they make us a post termination we are spending nearly 15 billion old cedis 1.5 million Ghana cedis on sika akono on the 20th January 12 there no ye wie no ye nwie yo on the 27th of July omutua $30,000 by check to sika akono and I catch almost omun fa check no no munya ne bank transfer e man ono akro ni kroma nti ura utua check awan be kwakofa good na chese uhwema bank transfer na ministry no sika akono request here no ministry na ye na 31st of July na no jua de ya and no yes our transaction no into kaboma sika akono efri ho no ye twan $508,000 $108 and 12 cents sika ye twan ma sika akono after say ye yi nadi so on your Black Stars coach no
eno na last time komo we buy me o check your calculation in duo to we no yeso mo be kire mu sa $500,000 last time the apostle concern reason ya no o check ya de na enduro nti de aka na efie na be kan o
Mire, Africa almost say a de cat $220,000. We official document me boy.
yes
Until I smile come I will use what you have fed me with. Patriot I say
yeah
ne odi feed me no and na me di be ejuma because we a official document and yes sir
official
okay sikasem na kasa no kra I'm not so worried about it figures in the na your moduma Jeff and boy I have to deal with what I have and this is signed by the public relations unit.
yes
Now listen to me. Take this from me as a brother and one you trust. Wow, Tiwi. Wow, so take this from me as somebody you hold in high esteem and credible. On Monday, Nami Nikroma, but I saw documents, blue sheet now, El Bank of Ghana. Me to escape my Milovan Rajovac. Monday, me say.
Na you to escape my
Milovan Rajovac. The minister is still fighting those debts. A Canada honor.
Omugusu konsa kan.
Sompa Sports.
Na no Juadei. Na Bank of Ghana honor some no mo catch on say munyan internal payment nko. Because they wanted it to reflect Monday rate for the dollar.
Oh, okay.
Send a bear. Now, if you buy na so kuchan ene Friday is your holiday. Until you benya new rate BMA. This is a Monday. Ti Mustafa Yusuf no. Oba ene apamusika akona na sene. Nyo ne fa no. But beto mpamu no.
Mustafa.
No. Sika akona time no coincided with Honorable Isiama.
Yes.
And a buying castle maintaining Kwesi Appiah, they said no. They wanted to push and they pushed for him. Again, take this from me. The FA president, per this document, she said he witnessed the contract, the Ghana Football Association, and he seek out on the science our contract. Senyem penyu for more Ghana National Petroleum Corporation and even the GMPC. Senyem penyu for more. Can years when the Ghana Football Association had actually moved. Say in Sika Kuno $200,000 as signing on fee for Black Stars coach. Yes, I'm telling you.
$200,000
officials at GMPC as Duncan Yame say these people knew football inside out.
Bio.
Look, calm down.
What's it saying? $200,000.
200
signing on.
Yeah, Black Stars coach here signing on. They signing on. They were moved
$200,000.
I'm telling you, I am paying for more GMPC. No, I'm na amasa. I'm boss. I didn't go here. Okunini. Baby, I will be and do my mind. No, we have to be serious.
Sompa Sports.
That is why we are critical. And tiny pie some. Kotra Corinu Meku. Now, what point Chenny? I bet you fifi. Now, Milodian 1 year figure. But trouble tray. So movies are mada. Nina cry. Zio. Balate.
Sompa Sports.
Because me auntie na mobile Congress o kuma say mo say omo the documents be kwa bonte mo be prosecute omo me auntie still here wow. Na no letters wa mo saka he enye a copy nti na mo ho hwehwe mo.
And also your letter.
Oh, omo nya botre.
Letter for far.
Aba e be sanim papa. Mo je mo copy na so ya copy. So look, let me be honest with you, my brother. The minister, according to the president, he's performing. The minister, Emma Obia no say a very shuffle wana bibi. Nipa oma wadwuma no. Ose omrel. Den ti na obi ti baby. Na ono adwen say obeti ma ya me are shuffle. Ana ye beji wadwuma from them. No. I've seen 3 different reports, including a report from the National Security Ministry, that indicates they want you to deliver 10 youth resource centers. Because without that infrastructure, then I'll catch Ghana for say why Jeff. What? We went to the World Cup. You got a point? 10 youth resource centers. It means it's already 8 years. Now we now youth resource center no young commission back cry the year. It won't happen.
About the Brame.
Obet na why but Ghana for yeah catch them. Said the cost will crumano. Obi entire minister. Again, I'm affirming to you. And you sit now to me koji or yagba borino. And no one munyam no modi asha. Only Bobby na. You are going to be there. Football Republic now will be in chamber be catch Musena and Kofubi Persia Obi Reshafum. Nobody is also going to sack you. Unless there is a massive scandal or failure. But you must deliver on the mandate of that 10 youth resource centers. Africa Games, Jeff. When the changing minister. A few months to Africa Games. Nobody will reshuffle you, minister. Me and make away. You must win. Until almost it's now. Now, deliver 10 youth resource centers. Ghana for me, Bisamo. Remusika. Near the Jeff contract. I'm going to sign.
This is the president. Ochame no besha.
NSC.
And obi kra me ho kra dwume kakra.
Na Ghana de some people wa say utia wan hwe kra obanu hu so Ghana ni. Asa Joja last kind. No. Don't take yourself no lightly. Sure, I take here how many years? From 1982, but I don't think they are. That's how bad it is.
Also,
Yes.
Me ya wo me ba sa me wo Ghana wa je cap na.
Aside no na make and unim say and population majority here you.
Ye hu Ghana.
That's how bad it is.
Wa je trophy da.
It's a trust say trophy je no sebe. So trophy je no enough him. And when you make promises here over the years, your man pay you like okay the late President Rollins said
Sompa Sports.
Ashomubo or mine and this omedi yaw. Niama o makika nka kokomi enim.
Ebi mo so kra film.
Yes, and or the so more mine or the
ko.
Yeah. And it's not, it doesn't even make sense. Yeah. You see Ivory Coast 2015. A tournament I was involved. Yeah. Near me see ya pa penalty crano. Yeah, shot referee crano or kama. Kasama. Or ye Juma kama. Na penalty shot say Jayene Eddie can share. Na dear bed done. We are so tiny maybe I say, yeah. The pain, yao, and especially for 82 for people, there is a coup. Lima overtraining former president and a late president Liman. Now, more and like I said, my interview, the late CKJ fee, come about just economic somebody quota. That's how terrible it is. Actual numbers, just say numbers, quota.
I don't want to show you.
That is how they went to 82 and won the cup. Now mo fire will be more appearance for Muji and no one Jibita. There was nothing like that. A cool we cry. I think our money about who appearance you. So I went to grab moon community. Nice so Moko Jiba, a bay we are normal bar, no one yes, sir. It's something that is painful, it's sad, it hurts. There's a bram go brema bregu. So they say. Until look, Empire Bokke say we have to keep on until that maybe Empire, and it's not going to be easy because yao na baby, omo we as so on so yao still they are hurt. Omo di yao. For the aspect of say, yeah, we are young man now. Players omo bobo yesterday. I don't be making analysis. You are ignorant about what you are saying. Yes, you must have the evidence of the facts, so you can then do proper comparison. I also. Me see Nyokan. What an apostle?
Auntie plays here boy league.
Which of them?
On Kabao Creno in the
Ben Jesse Fapo equipment puffer. None of them.
And they are more.
Me say, Tia Usi. And then Namuko Africa, when they go to Africa, what do they do? And that point more go.
As you use a woman, so now power, more dear.
When Zamalek was tough, not the late man, I beg a captain, Kwashi. When Mema Zamalek was formed, Zamalek go. They were playing at the time when it was big boys' time, top, very competitive. Obuka Free, the late, 78. Only Uganda.
Yes.
He was a captain, was a Nukodogo, 82 Muko finals. Top score, big. Nyansan Poker Free, we can't get it. Don't. How can they? And yet a subject for discussion. Oh, shall say, can I share a baby kick out?
You won't pay a can't say no crap.
And yet a subject for discussion because we cannot even discuss it.
Yeah, Nenny and Bear more bibia.
Opoko Timunyansan more no movie. Which of them? What Ghana and a Ghanaian player in Francisco Mifri Kotoko. Oko Bordeaux, any gent in Ghana named Michel Platini at that time, Neko Bobo. And even Amoko, even your so-called national team players, and Omo clubs me. I'm no your mate, playmate.
Oh, your party or boss now.
Me come Michel Platini. Who did me born?
And they would do. By all
gent in Ghana. No problem with Breast, but I'm saying that they compare with Joker.
Joker.
From since Joker Jagoda, no goalkeeper could bent 5% of what he has done.
5%.
Now, do you know what we are talking about?
Yeah,
the cat. Tio, Maza. What here? Ali Tiba, current president Mahmoud Katibu. He faced them and won the African Club competition. The dreaded Ali team in the 23. Joker national team. Ada, Ajik, Afcon. And now players on what have they won?
Afcon the NG.
What have they won?
Champions League in also Nigeria.
So Until who person because this generation which Abedi was part of 1982, or more Abedi Pele. That's what you want to say. League.
Oh, that mean casa, but that Champions League in generation.
Oh, me say.
About the Champions League generation. Yes, yeah, who had the NSA?
Me bacho.
Yes, you pay we no more danger on one pen.
Oh, there be and who said you be who you know. But mema say me bacho. Atatia. Koshe 1993 UEFA Champions League final no. Share similar team na share Marseille team no. That's what Abedi Pele did. Next year time on Mubeji Champions League no against Barcelona. Next year the place in similar. Next year place in Barcelona. You cannot tell them.
Mitiopa.
So argument we should not even start making.
It needs a chance.
No, don't try.
Me
say don't try. Go kin on Kobeji. Or just a part of Obeji sa.
Obeji go kin sa.
Poto. I'm telling you. Look, George Alassane. And then okay. Who represent Mohamed Polo is part of that. Now more Polo why na Polo. Tie mo breast we po cramba na low
na be so.
What I talking about?
That's my 5 minutes in the
Triple magician.
Why? 0551 massa Mr. Be pass him on me. 0551931931 0551931931 0548931931 054893. Bayo ebi an frefi.
Hello Diaby.
Yes sir.
Karamawa ni bokrum.
Acho mi ti o chawai.
Lady Camin Bomba Basopa, no more farm, but my Santa Man Ghana mine. That means Kotoka Chita for Sisada Kotokona, Shakotokona, a new Kotoko Bimbada. Into Bianfan Hunshim, then Yanka, Humbo, Nembom, Panta players, management, and a coach in English, then Mujidia, send new Kotokona in far over there. Ha ha ha, Diaby, a boober, dessert.
Manse Medan, Paul, Diana baby Alfrefi.
Good morning, Apunasana.
Quay Yanko.
Kaka make an say, when you have here, my was taken to impossible. Because that is the same thing here. We are not talking to look over in the lives of Captain Bazar, Jonathan Tukwe, Michael Adequate, meaning our real there, the enemy Bakura. Yesterday, no more fire. So all the lucky football this season there, you could make some Mr. Anga at the Podati or the BCC.
Manse Medan Udiani baby Alfrefi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Robert.
Mr. Abubakar.
Me wo ye pa ye ko.
Me tia in buta 32 ne. Ana buta safety ami. Ana kisi Jemfi. Power mine. O je for that class poker. Ise if you adu mu kwa adu mu. Ise o je put my do. Uyi Manchester United. Inu uyi ba master na sa madu du wa. Ise better na how to work now because o je play here team here. I'm playing to run up now when you're doing that. I'm going to the amount of chairs and how to put again. The young I don't have a place in your bed that they do there. And I know to go for it. Why are you by Yamisrano?
Manse Medan se pa Udiani baby Alfrefi.
And can I say about Yami?
Yes, sir.
The more I care about you.
Mejozo.
We have got crossman in Casa Finches.
Aguya go.
Can I share a premier more about so I guess you're good for Shao Boltma? Yeah, I'm in tune. Young Portugal, good for 22 Papa to 2 Pamamentiano. There's enough creative and boss on. Not you two Pamamentiano. International. Kumate send go to say more to you. Sanjay campaign so pass to normal. You might know kama Gala football ya. Me say sports minister. Ono account no me na cabo me be Gala. You know me in film. Account as much as say my church general buy what so. Ko enye ni price. And na die ko blood for that. So person yan kan na training premier ma. So no me da se ba.
Manse me so me da se Udiani baby Alfrefi. Bajo me too.
You see, I like to come and correct. If you get, do the mutam cry. Mata. Woman, Chrome, Medimo. Woman, Medimo. And of course, because you were Fred water black. Oh, the bottle. Bottle in your boat. Since you are striking your ball, what will we do? What is it? What will you do? Says a woman saying, oh, my friend, come pie, and Damalik, a boy, a ha. Some of them to me town. Mata. Oh, Mamma, Kotokona, fool. Says you are Ghana, you know, no, second grand will be Mexican crown. Chisian. Woman crown, no, Bob, Boston, woman, difficult here.
Mate, me da se me fa we twa to na twa to din be ya fa.
Last call I MOB made you. na oyibo ni mami ni apenye Ricardo happy birthday so no see em la medidi ana yefa
I no cre ya bra why
I was Sompa ho na
ya it's inside cry ya
onya pizza kakra ka ho why na me pe pizza ni bi pa na mami mama baso amu boy duma na league table no aba na eno a me share league table no has of 5 matches no e say 50 points that 5 matches no e momu be ka che say match 30 pre-season term na ma be ka che say players na bla na o ma emle omunya jumadi na ti we league table na aba no 5 matches so 5 matches no